It's lit. It's lit. I'm doing a video.
Why is it blurry?
GTX 1070. Vuugo Geno. Asus. MSI Z170 gaming. Corsair. Power supply. Samsung. SSD. Logitech. Mouse. Headset and keyboard. i7-6700K. 60 gigs of RAM.
Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox the Logitech G502 Proteus core without RGB. So this is the first thing I'm gonna unbox because my friend got a new build and the parts, and we're gonna build later. So here we go. This out the box. This went on sale for like $50, and that's pretty sick. You're done, right? That was a quick unboxing.
Yeah.
No, that's good because when I unbox mine, it took like 10 minutes. I can't cut the box properly.
I hate getting
yeah.
Holy.
Never mind, it took longer. Okay, yeah. So.
What's this?
I think it's a weight. Like you can put different weights on the back. Apparently, that's what my friend told me. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna do a click test. They're pretty good. And a scrolling test.
Oh, is this?
Oh yeah.
Did it have to? Oh.
Yeah, you could lock. But there's feed scrolling on this mouse if you guys want feed scrolling.
If I keep doing this, it lasts for a year?
Yes.
A year?
Oh no, actually slow down like 5 minutes. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, just lock it. Yeah, that's pretty good. This is gold plated. Oh, it's braided cable as usual. Logitech products. And my friend just got a Logitech headset, so that's a Logitech combo. Logitech G9 keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next part unboxing. Alright guys, we're gonna unbox it now. Let's go. So this is a case, and our parts are outside, and we're gonna build it now. Right. So
I'm gonna get this out.
this case has a liquid cooling, right? Okay. You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. This case has a reservoir.
Put your leg one. Yeah.
Case has a reservoir. Wait, comes with fans too? Yeah. Blast up.
One fan.
No, there's 3.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You want me to grab here? Yeah, there. I thought you work out, bro.
Yeah, you try putting this, man.
I'm pulling back. Look at this.
Oh,
Nice.
It's sick.
Woo! Oh, it's glass, right? Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna build it now. So we're gonna come.
You wanna plug it in and power it on?
No, we'll just peel.
Okay.
We just finished building it, so we're gonna peel the case now. Go. Okay, that was sick. Alright, so I think we're gonna plug it in and show you guys the colors.
Yeah.
MSI GTX.
You just finished building it?
Oh, liquid cooled.
Is it supposed to be like that?
For this? No, it's supposed to be on the side. That case like it.
Wow.
Come on, bro. And then, yo, they had it every single cable behind it. That's actually nice, because all the man's cables are like down
Did
here.
you fix it?
Yeah.
No, we.
Yeah, of course.
We'll fix it.
Yeah, but most cable managed people put it down here. Alright guys, we connected HDMI, display port, whatever it had to do. BenQ monitor connected, or we're gonna press the power button.
Yeah, we don't have a fucking display for it though. Fuck.
Okay, click the power button.
What the?
Do you have a switch? Oh, you forgot the switch. Noma.
No, it's on. No, this.
No, right there.
Huh?
That switch.
That switch is on.
Oh. Did I press it yet?
No, I don't think so. Is it on?
Oh yeah, it's not on.
Oh shit, we tried it. I just
Press it now.
cut that out.
Hey! Blessed up, dude. Woo! Blessed.
Wait, he said where should if I do LED switch, can I just place it back?
Yeah, no, it'll come up. Wait, but where are these white stuff coming from?
The fan.
Oh, that's why he said there's too much light. Just put one strip down here. Yeah. Alright. So after that, we installed Windows 10 Pro, and then we connected the hard drive from the old computer and put it into the main computer, as you can see here. We copied the files to the SSD, 30 megabytes per second. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And please leave a like and comment for more content. Have a great day.